Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick and simple guide on how to change the sound for your incoming call notifications on Messenger. If you've been wanting to personalize your Messenger experience or set a tone that's easier to recognize, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you do just that. Let's get started. First, open up the settings on your phone. This is where all the key adjustments to apps and notifications take place. Scroll down until you find the option called Apps and tap on it. From here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Scroll through and select Messenger from the list. This will bring you to Messenger-specific settings. The next step is to tap on Notifications. Inside this section, your phone provides detailed options for how Messenger sends alerts and sounds. Often, people don't realize how much can be customized here, so it's worth taking a closer look. Now tap on Notification Categories. This is where things get more specific, because Messenger divides different types of notifications into categories. Each category has its own settings, so you can fine-tune each one. Look for incoming calls in the list and select it. This controls the sound you hear whenever someone calls you on Messenger. Once inside, you'll see an option labeled Sound. Tap on Sound, and your phone will open up a selection of notification tones that you can choose from. Browse through the list and pick the one that suits you best. It could be something loud and attention-grabbing to make sure you never miss a call, or something softer if you prefer a less disruptive tone. Once you've made your choice, it will automatically save as the new default for Messenger incoming calls. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Messenger notification sound for calls. Just a few taps in your settings, and you can now instantly recognize when a Messenger call is coming through. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to personalize your other notification categories as well, so your Messenger experience feels completely tailored to you. Thanks for watching.